So you have to be open, you have to be coachable, you have to be actionable. And I would really call that step 3, 4, and 5.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to achieve your first million? And today we have Mark Walker joining us from United Kingdom, and he's a serial entrepreneur, franchise owner. He has several exits in different business, but his first business was when he was 8 years old. So imagine lots of years of experience. So today you're for a trick. Mark, tell us, what are the 5 steps that you recommend entrepreneurs to make the first million?
Oh, Harry. Well, look, first of all, Harry, thank you so much for inviting me onto your podcast. I hope in the
Pleasure.
next 30 minutes, 45 minutes, whatever it is, your listeners get some massive value from my 38 years of being in business. It's interesting that the opening question is, what are the 5 steps for somebody to make their first million? Who says they need to make 1 million? Why not make 10 million? Do you know, once you've made your first million, it's very easy to make 10 million because it's just duplicating the system you have. So the reason I put it that way is that step 1 has to be that you feel that you have a product or a service that there's a need for in the marketplace. Step 2 is, instead of doing it on your own, you need to reach out and get a business mentor that you wish to emulate, somebody that's been in business for 38 years, for example, who has had multiple businesses in multiple niches and also has lots of friends across the globe which can help you expand your business. The third thing you have to be is coachable. If you don't feel you're coachable, which leads on to step 4, which is actionable, then you're not in the best place and best suited in that position to try and grow a business in the first place. So you have to be open, you have to be coachable, you have to be actionable. And I would really call that step 3, 4, and 5.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.